Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to install MetaMask on any browser and also how to add a custom token to MetaMask. Okay, so in my case I will use Opera GX, but this works for Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and also it works with Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter, okay? The process is like nearly similar between browsers, but in my case I will show you on Opera. Okay, so of course the first step will be to search our extension options. In my case I just hit here where it says extension or Ctrl Shift E, and here on the left you will see get more extensions. I know for a fact that Google Chrome has the same option on the left to access the Google Web Store. In my case I just wanna use Opera, so I click here. Okay, so after that we can just go for the search bar and type MetaMask. We hit enter, and here where it says add to Opera, in the case of Google Chrome you can click where it says install extension. We click here. We need to wait for it. Okay, so after it's installed, probably it will show us a website for MetaMask and for creating our account. So exactly, we agree here and we hit on create a new wallet. Of course, if you already have a MetaMask wallet you can import it, but in this case I will show you how to create an account from scratch. I agree. We put a new password here. We hit on I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me, and we hit on create a new wallet. Okay, so here it will show you like basically a video tutorial just to keep your MetaMask wallet secure or safe. In my case I will hit on secure my wallet, and here this is very important, guys. Don't show this picture below to anybody. Basically a person that has access to this picture can steal all your assets in your MetaMask wallet. So in my case I will show you this because this is not my wallet and I will not use it, so no worries about that, but you need to take a lot of care with this picture. Okay, so in my case I just revealed the secret like thing, and I will just take a picture of it like that, and I will click on next. So it will ask me like my words here, adult and milk, I think. Hit on confirm and we hit on got it. Okay, so it will show you how to use it. You will have like your extension here on top. I will pin it because it's very useful, and of course I will just close that, and from here we can just access. Okay, so this is like the MetaMask interface, and we hit got it. Of course MetaMask has improved a lot since like other years, where you need to import like very well-known tokens like USDT and all that. Now you can import them just by clicking here and search for it. In my case will be USDT, so with that you can just click on Tether USD and import, and that's it, you have this asset. But in the case we don't have like a known token, we can click here where it says custom token. In my case I will search a token on CoinGecko. This is a very good place just to track like cryptos around the market. So in my case I just want to import FTX or some, I think it was, yeah, FTX. And as you can see you have an option here that says add to MetaMask. Sometimes this doesn't work. It says successfully added to MetaMask, but that's a lie. It doesn't work like that. Okay, so of course in this case you can simply copy here where it says like the contract. You can copy here and then you can go to MetaMask. Okay, so yeah, sometimes in here it doesn't open, but you can go here and import tokens, custom token, and you just paste that and it will automatically put the token symbol and the decimal. So you click next, import, and then you have your custom token, and you have, like, for example, USDT on your wallet. So thank you guys, that has been the tutorial. I hope you like it, and bye.